When Apple Watch launched in 2015, it was met with some skepticism. It was a late entry to the smartwatch market and was dependent on an iPhone to get even the simplest things done. Over the past 3 years, we've seen some significant updates. The 2.0 update gave developers direct access to Apple Watch hardware. That made apps a lot faster. The Series 1 and 2 hardware updates added a dual-core processor for even more speed, and Series 3 added a cellular radio. This is my original Series 0 Apple Watch, and this is my new Series 4. I've worn this watch almost every day for the last 3 years, and it's gone just about everywhere with me. So here are 5 features that make it worth the upgrade. Number 5, speed. The Series 0 Apple Watch was slow, even when it launched, and things got progressively worse through watchOS 3. Everything is faster on the Apple Watch Series 4, from scrolling to booting apps to starting a workout. Number 4, auto-starting workouts. With my Series 0, it wasn't unusual for me to forget to start a workout, or to try, only to have the workout app stall on me. The Series 4 automatically detects elevated heart rate and movement and prompts me to begin a workout. It even retroactively counts all the work that I've done right from the start. Number 3, the larger screen. The old 42mm size has been replaced with a 44mm model, with more screen space, making text larger and easier to read. It makes reading on the go a lot more comfortable. Number 2, INFOGRAPH. Apple has packed a lot of information into the new INFOGRAPH watch face. It isn't as elegant as some other faces, but I have 10 separate interaction points right on the screen now, giving me quicker access to apps and features that I use regularly. You can see here that I've picked heart rate, weather, fitness, and timer. My favorite new feature comes in at number 1, and that's walkie-talkie. I've added other Apple Watch users to my walkie-talkie list, and now I can talk to them just by tapping on the walkie-talkie button, without needing my phone or having to make a call. This feature feels a little like Star Trek or Dick Tracy. It's fun and it's useful. I love my old Series 0, but the Series 4 has been a big upgrade.